I'm Kate Dufton and I am the show manager for RHS Malvern Spring Festival. There's something for everybody. It's the 4-day floral extravaganza full of gardens, indoor houseplants, food, drink, shopping, numerous different things around site. Lots of new and exciting things at the show. In the Festival of Houseplants, we've got the indoor plant gardens. They are judged by the RHS and we've got 4 gold-winning gardens, so really amazing. There's lots of people, for example, GreenThumb, offering out advice on how to care for your lawn. There's wildlife-friendly gardens, there's rainwater collecting, there's so many planting schemes that you can look at, take home and get inspiration for your own garden.